addict. Too much drinking and too much weed for my habit. Too much passion and too much swag for the average. No need to explain if you can't change what happened. Loose handshakes and fake smiles. More knives in my back than a steakhouse. Feeling like I'm in 8 Mile. Lose yourself right now, I'm spaced out. Friends pretending they ain't enemies. Haters be whispering cause they envious. No more the pain I got in my memories. Who got the pill that they had in Limitless? Now who says I can't get stoned? Now who cares who's right, who's wrong? If you find that you clear a new life, a new air, a new flight, a new stage, you might move on and get faded. You might move on and upgrade it. You might move on and just get that bullshit out of the way. Right. Let's roll up some.